Samsung Electronics is making strides with its first system-on-chip using the cutting-edge 3nm gate-all-around process at Samsung Foundry. This advancement is set to revolutionize mobile chip technology, potentially impacting devices like the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Taping out and collaboration. Samsung has entered the final phase of chip design, known as taping out, in collaboration with an electronics design automation firm. This collaboration has aimed to boost the chip's performance using sophisticated tools like the EDA suite. High-performance mobile chip. The new chip from Samsung integrates a CPU, GPU, and multiple IP blocks, signifying a leap forward in mobile processing power. This chip is poised to be a key component in the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy S25 series, promising enhanced performance and capabilities. Refinement and optimizations. Samsung utilized Synopsys IEDA software and the Synopsys Fusion compiler to refine the chip's design, optimize performance, reduce power consumption, and improve overall efficiency. These efforts highlight Samsung's commitment to delivering top-notch technology. Galaxy S25 Ultra battery and features. Reports suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will maintain a robust 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support. While initial plans for advanced battery features might be delayed, a new feature called Battery AI could enhance runtime without compromising performance. Galaxy S25 lineup overview. Galaxy S25. Key specs: 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, 50 megapixels primary camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Exynos 2500, 8 GB RAM, 4000 mAh battery. Expected price $800. Galaxy S25 Plus. Key specs: 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, 50 megapixels primary camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Exynos 2500, 12 GB RAM, 4900 mAh battery. Expected price $1,150. Key specs: 6.9-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, 200 megapixels primary camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, 12 GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery. Expected price $1,299. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series promises groundbreaking advancements in mobile technology, from high-performance chips to innovative features like Battery AI. Stay tuned for updates as we delve deeper into these devices. Share your thoughts on these upcoming gadgets in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, peace out.